Are you a YouTuber struggling to save time on editing, thumbnails, or scripts? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful and free AI tools that can completely change your YouTube journey. Let's get started. The first tool is Remove.bg. If you ever struggle with removing backgrounds from your photos, this AI tool is a lifesaver. Just upload any image, and in seconds, it will automatically erase the background. No Photoshop, no effort, just one click. Perfect for YouTube thumbnails, presentations, or even memes. Next is Canva AI. Canva is already popular, but now it has AI-powered design tools. You just type your thumbnail idea, and Canva AI generates professional designs instantly. You can edit colors, fonts, and styles in minutes. This tool makes your thumbnails look professional without spending hours designing. Third is ChatGPT. Writing scripts, titles, or descriptions can take a lot of time. But with ChatGPT, you just type your topic, and it will generate a ready-to-use script in seconds. It's like having a personal assistant who writes content for you, so you can focus on recording and editing. Number 4 is Pictory AI. This tool can turn your text into a complete video. Just paste your script, and Pictory will generate visuals, animations, and even background music. It's a huge time saver if you want to make faceless videos or tutorials without showing yourself on camera. And the last one is Copy AI. If you want catchy YouTube titles, engaging descriptions, or even unique content ideas, Copy AI can help. Just type a few keywords, and it will give you multiple creative options instantly. It's perfect for improving SEO and making your videos stand out. So, these were the 5 free AI tools every YouTuber should try: Remove.bg, Canva AI, ChatGPT, Pictory AI, and Copy AI. These tools can save you hours of work and help you grow faster on YouTube. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to AI Future Hub for more amazing AI hacks.